Right, we've got a 5-pinner unbranded, what we call a rim cylinder. The Americans, it's a mortise cylinder. Screw in. I'm to clues made it, but I've picked it and gutted it just previous. First pin is a serrated one, and the next 4 pins are all spools. Now what I'm finding with serrated pins, as I'm getting more used to them, you pick a serrated pin and it clicks, and sometimes you get a very tiny bit of rotation and you think, I've got it. But then it needs picking again because it's only trapped on the first serration, and usually depending on how many serrations that pin has got decides how many clicks. Now there's plenty of counter rotation on this because it's also got 4 spools loaded in it as well. It's a nice lock to pick. It's not dead simple, but you get plenty of feedback. Positive movement every time a pin sets. What you find is, as you set one of the pins and you get counter, you lose another one, so you've got to keep going back, and that one's in now, resetting it. That one's in, so there's one at the back now, hopefully. Come on. So one more somewhere, unless I've dropped any. Go on. Gotcha. There we go, chaps. Unscrew in rim lock or mortise cylinder. 1 serration, 4 spools. Unbranded, not a clue.